Cloud computing is not about clouds in the sky. It is about delivering computing services like storage, software, and processing power over the internet. Instead of buying and maintaining your own hardware, you can access what you need from remote servers hosted by cloud providers, anytime and anywhere. Think of the cloud as a huge network of servers spread across the world. These servers store data, run applications, and process tasks for millions of users at once. When you upload a photo to Google Photos or stream a movie from Netflix, your device sends a request to a cloud server, which processes it and sends the data back instantly. You probably use cloud computing every day without even noticing. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive let you store and share files without USB drives. Streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify deliver entertainment without downloading large files. Even email and video calls rely on the cloud. Cloud computing means no need for expensive hardware, since providers handle servers and maintenance. You can access your data anywhere with an internet connection. It is scalable, secure, and often automatically backed up for peace of mind. Cloud computing has changed how we store, access, and use data. Whether sharing photos, running business apps, or streaming shows, you are likely using the cloud right now.